Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be transforming this black hair into a burgundy reddish colour without using bleach. So before I get started, make sure you guys have clicked that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know when I post the next video, and we'll get straight into it. Okay, so I've just got these HiColor, L'Oreal HiColor highlights in the colour Magenta, and I've got 3 boxes, but I don't think I'm going to need all of them. I'm going to start off with 2 and see how I get on. So yeah, I'm just going to squeeze that into my mixing bowl. Ooh, okay, so I've just squeezed out 1 packet. See how long that lasts me, and I'm just going to kind of eyeball it with this 40 volume developer. So I'm going to mix that and see what consistency that gives me. So I've got it to like a silky-ish consistency, but or silky, smooth, creamy-ish consistency, but I don't want it to be too runny. Oh, and I'm hoping that it stretches, but yeah, I'm going to start applying that now. So I've now distributed that throughout the hair. I'm going to leave that to sit for about an hour, hour and a half. Okay guys, so I've left this hair in a plastic bag for it's been about an hour, hour and a half. And yeah, I just clipped it. I'm going to take it now, I'm going to wash it. I'm going to wash it without shampoo, and then I'm going to leave it to condition and just to soak in the conditioner for about half an hour. And then I'm going to come back and style it. This is what it's looking like an hour and a half later. I'm just going to go and wash that out now and condition it. Okay guys, so this is the end result. Thank you so much for watching. No, I'm joking. So I've just washed it, and you can kind of see, I'm not sure, it's looking a little bit, it's not coming up on camera as red as it actually is in real life, but I'm going to, or as burgundy as it is in real life, but I'm going to blow dry it now and then style it. Okie dokes. Okay, it's not really showing very well. Okay, now you can see that this is red. It's not like one dimension, or burgundy actually, but it's kind of got a bit of black streaks. It's not fully dry, so once it's fully dry, I'm going to, oh, it's very fluffy. Once it's fully dry, I'm going to probably straighten it. That's the idea I've got. And put that on. This is what the final outcome was. I haven't filmed this. I just flexi rod it up and then just popped it on, and yeah, this is the finished look. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to click the like button, hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you do not miss out when I post the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.